Hey, it's John the Net Guy. We're taking a look at 4 unique iPhone 16 Pro Max cases here on iPhone 16 Pro Max launch day, so stick around. First up, we had the SUPCase, the Beetle Unicorn. It is a very simplistic case. What I do like about it though is that it has a pass-through for the capacitive touch button for your camera. None of these other cases have the exact same system where it does protect the button, but it also has metal contacts. So supposedly it should allow you to continue to use that camera. I love the fact that it is clear. This one does not come with a screen protector, so you're gonna have to buy that. I don't know about the longevity of this. Usually these last about 6 months to a year before they start to yellow. After that, we took a look at the iPhone case from the Red2Fire company. This one has incredible drop protection because it is a fully 2-piece case. There's a little orange here on the side. You can see the color of your iPhone 16 Pro. Mine just happens to be black, so it fits in really well. But it does not include any sort of lens cover, which I don't use anyway. So again, 2-piece case. I'm gonna try this one for a little while. This one has access directly to the touch button along the side here with this little indentation that you can see. So that's how they've accommodated that touch button for the camera. Overall, the rest of the buttons feel very tactile and are very easy to access all along the edges. So no issues there, still easy to swipe up. One thing is, it does have an integrated screen protector. Next up after that, we have from Miracase. This is their clear 2-piece integrated screen protector case. Now my wife's phone just happens to be white. It also does have the pass-through MagSafe charging. This one does also include 2 of the back covers for your lenses if you choose to use them. Overall, buttons are easy to access. They do align pretty well here. It is a very heavy duty case. That's one thing I've noticed about it, is it is going to be thicker than the other cases here today, even though it is completely clear. So alignment is not quite as good as some of the other ones. I'm still making sure, because it's clear, you can't see if it's fully engaged or not. The one thing I don't like about this one versus the rest is the access to the camera button is a flip out area. So this, I believe, is going to break off over time. So to access this, you would have to flip this up, then grab and try to touch the camera and slide underneath this cover. I think that's kind of a big swing and a miss there on this one. Again, 2-piece construction comes off there, then the front piece comes off. And again, this one does have an integrated screen protector built into it, so that's kind of unique to this model. The next and last one we're taking a look at is this phone case here from Spidercase. This is a purple case. My wife requested purple here. It's got a very nice soft feel to it. It does have a MagSafe ring, but it does not have that alignment near at the bottom. So I don't know how well it's gonna hold or stick to whatever you're putting it on. We're gonna find that out in our vehicle later. Looks like it covers the speakers exactly. So there's more speaker holes on one side than the other. So it has alignment to those. Accessibility of the buttons, they all work. And this one has a area here on the bottom so you can access the touch button. So the capacitive touch button, the action button is available here. So if you didn't have a screen protector, this is a case and a screen protector, which makes it a little bit of a better value here if you're comparing. And again, one other secret feature this thing has, that kickstand. So my wife's gonna really like this. So it has this kickstand. If you're watching a movie, you can set the phone up to whatever angle you want there. That's integrated. You can also use it vertically, kick that out, and you can have the phone sitting on your desk. I love the fact that that's integrated, but they didn't take any extra space away from the phone. It has a little bit of a smoked back, so if you've got a white phone like this one is, you're gonna see it's gonna look more of a gray in the back area. So that is a decision to make. Overall, I like all of these cases except this one. I think the Miracase, it just does not fit quite right. I would recommend all 3 of these ones here from Subcase. This is again a very interesting idea that they've taken with this clear case. Use this one with a screen protector, obviously, and then use this as your outer case. This one here from the Red2Fire company, I think is definitely going to be super durable. I'm excited to use that with my 16 Pro Max here. And then finally, this one is an incredible value if you're looking for many different color options of your case. You want something lightweight with a nice feel to it with an integrated kickstand And as a bonus, it comes with a couple screen protectors that you can use, so you don't have to buy those separately. This has been John the Net Guy. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in a future video.